What's going on, YouTube? I am officially back. And sorry if I keep looking over there. My screen's over here, but my camera's right here. So I apologize if I look this way. But yeah, Devontae Harris here, back with another video from Primary Printo. Alright, so yeah, if you didn't know now, which I'm sure some of you do, I have an EPSON F2100. I have two of them actually. I had three at one point, but I just sold one. Today we're going to do a video on the head cleaning kit. Sorry if it's backwards, but I figured I'd show you how to replace the head cleaning set, which is tremendously easy. Shouts out to EPSON for being super awesome with the mechanics of replacement of things like that. Not super complex, so if you're not tech savvy, you don't have to worry. And with this video, I definitely help you. And not to mention, the printer itself has prompts to show you what parts to place. It'll tell you to go to the manual, but we don't have to do all that. With the video here that I'm about to show you, we'll replace this with no problem. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up these pieces completely. Do you have to do this now? No, but I mean, let's be prepared, right? Jesus, more tape. Oh. Don't just yank the tape off either, people. It's the side. Go ahead and open this guy. Oh, there are your pieces. So right here it says head cleaning set life, which means that that stuff that I previously showed you is no longer in service. It does not work. So the printer is telling us, because it is on a sensor-based system, that we need to change those parts that I showed you. Those three main components. All right, at this point, the machine is telling us to now open up the cover here. Boom. And it says, see manual and replace with new wiper unit and anti-drying caps. So let's do that right now. So we see the fabric wiper unit here and the suction cap unit here. These two are what we're going to replace right now. And we're just going to lift here, lift this out. Boom. New one goes in. Just like that. And this arrow should always be pointed down. Lift by that arrow, insert by the arrow. And these little grooves right here, boom, boom, here, these points here, and it's perfect. Okay. This guy, there's this little black piece right here. See that I'm using my finger to move it? That right there, pull that back, lift this guy up. It has these two holes right here that meet these silver points on both sides. So here's one of them that you can see. Boom. I typically like to leave the plastic on just in case. Okay. Make sure it's in there securely. Boom. And this is not going to lift out because this black part right here is blocking it from sliding out. Okay. So there you go. Locked in. Now that we're here, okay, these old pieces right here, this is all garbage. You can reset that fabric wiper, but we won't talk about that right now. So go ahead and close your cover and hit OK. Yes. So right now the printer did a little cleaning bit to reset the system on the fabric wiper and the suction part. And so now it's telling us now to reopen this and now replace this ink catcher right here. Okay, so we are here replacing this thing. See how this thing is kind of gross? From time to time it's going to build up, and literally it snaps in. Pull on that side right there, this tab right here, pull that up and lift that out. This thing right here, super gross, super grody. That beeping noise is just saying that some time has passed and it wants you to close the cover of the printer here, but we're not going to do that. We're going to clean this out. It does not tell you to wipe this, but I do just a bit because that's gross. See that? All that is nasty. So it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just gonna wipe it. Boom. It looks a little better. Very good. New piece right here. There's these little notches on the side right here. Slide in. Boom. This. Clicked in. Perfect. And it's just as simple as that right there. And then once you have that done, all you have to do now, close your cover, hit OK, one more time, and it is ready to go. Alright guys, so you have made it to the end of the video. Hopefully you just learned how to successfully replace the pieces in your printer when your head cleaning set is set to life, which means they no longer work. The sensors are deeming them as unfit. Sorry, I gotta clean this off the camera. Come on now, get out of there. There we go. Hopefully with minimal effort, you guys can do the same thing, and hopefully this video is a good reference point on how to replace those pieces and really see how easy it is to change out and swap out those parts. There are videos on YouTube, but I feel like they're not as clean or as, I wouldn't say informative because they are, but a lot of them are silent. It's like silent films, you know, so I like to talk in the videos, and hopefully, you know, that hands-on experience and just those little bit of things, you know, that I showed will help you replace these pieces with ease. I know this was a very short video, and it's been a minute since I've been in front of the camera. I mean, you guys see, if you follow me on my social media, I mean, the weight loss, I've been doing all kinds of other things. We're back in the garage now, and I can explain why we're back in the garage in the video if you want to see that, if you want to see the new setup and stuff like that. If you can, just keep supporting me, and in the comments down below, put also what you would like to see in future videos, because we're going to get this thing rolling again. Also, there are affiliate links in the description. If you guys could use those links, it helps me, it helps the channel, it helps me provide more content to you guys, passive income for myself. Without this, or without you guys, you know, I honestly couldn't do this. So I appreciate all the support, those that continue to rock with me, those that still answer questions. I'm back, and we're gonna get this thing rolling again. So I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.